In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay my national insurance on the Gov UK website. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Gov UK website. Once you're there, look for the page specifically for paying voluntary national insurance contributions. It's important to make sure you're using the official government website because that helps keep your information secure and ensures you're following the correct process. Before making any payment, take a moment to check your national insurance record. To do that, sign into your government gateway account and review your contribution history. This will let you see whether there are any gaps in your record and help you understand exactly what you may need to pay. Checking this first is a useful step because it can prevent you from paying the wrong amount or paying for periods that may not need to be covered. Once you've reviewed your record, the next step is to choose your payment method. Gov.uk will show the available options, which may include things like bank transfer, online banking, or other approved payment methods. Pick the option that works best for you, and make sure you read any instructions provided on the page since different methods can have slightly different processing times. After that, enter your payment details carefully. You'll usually need to provide your national insurance number along with any payment reference requested. This part matters a lot because the payment reference helps make sure your contribution is matched to your account correctly. It's a good idea to double check everything before moving on. When your details are in place, complete the payment by confirming the amount and submitting the transaction. Take a final look before you send it just to make sure the total is correct and all the information has been entered accurately. Once the payment has gone through, save your confirmation. You can download it, take a screenshot, or keep a copy of the receipt for your records. This is helpful in case you ever need proof of payment later. Finally, after some processing time, go back and verify your contribution record. Check your national insurance account again to confirm that the payment has been credited properly. If it doesn't appear right away, don't panic, as some payment methods can take a little time to update. And that's how to pay your national insurance on the Gov UK website. Follow each step carefully, keep your confirmation safe, and always review your record both before and after payment.